Hi there, I'm Nicole King. I'm the broker owner of 41 Realty Group in Billings, Montana, and I am here again with Ian Ullman with Guaranteed Rate. Today we are talking about divorce. I have had lots of people come to me, and I'm sure you have too, that say either I've gone through divorce, I'm going through divorce, I will be going through divorce, and they are worried about how that's going to impact their credit. So
Yes.
tell us the things.
Yeah, so most often it's people coming in, hey, I had great credit, I went through a divorce and it ruined my credit.
Okay.
So the credit bureaus don't actually have any sort of a metric for divorce.
So there's no rating there that says this person's married, they get a higher rating, this person's divorced, they have a lower rating.
Right,
Okay.
absolutely not. What does happen, I guess there are a couple things. One, people stop making payments during a divorce or after a divorce.
Okay.
And we'll talk a bit about that. And another thing that actually just came to me that I think is also valid is 35% of your credit score is payment history.
Oh, yeah.
And so if you're dropped off of an older clean debt
Okay.
that has no lates,
Okay.
if you're the spouse dropping off of that debt, you could lose that history. So I mean,
Oh, yeah.
the shuffle of debts could impact scores, but the divorce
Okay.
itself does not just drop you 100 points or anything like that.
Okay.
So when it comes to the lack of payment during or after or before sometimes a divorce, what happens is you go through the divorce process, all that stuff, and at the end of the day, you get a divorce decree that says he gets this car, she gets that car. They have this debt, they have this house.
Yep.
The divorce decree, most people don't realize, is a court order to you and your now ex. It is not a court order to financial institutions.
Nope.
And so the obligation is upon you and your ex still to go through the process, to be removed from or refinance those loans, whatever the decree says needs to happen.
Right.
You all need to follow through on that. And until those things are done, in the financial institution's eyes, both of you are still obligated to that payment.
Yep.
And when it comes to that credit impact, you're both obligated to when that payment doesn't get made.
Yep. So you can either benefit or get hurt by that. So
Right.
if somebody stays on the debt and that payment keeps being made, they are also benefiting from the good history that's being created, right? So whatever happens with that debt in the decree, they need to fully understand it, exactly what's being ordered on them, and then follow through with it.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. All right. So as with everything that we've discussed, divorce is highly personal. In each and every single decision made in that process and in your decree is going to impact you on lots of different levels, including credit report and future decisions related to how you want to use your credit. So be very sure that you fully understand what's in your decree, understand how it's going to impact you, and then that everybody follows through with what's on that decree so that you don't get some surprises later on when you want to go get some credit in the future. So thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.